Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jack. Welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys, so in today's video, as you saw as a thumbnail, we're going to be doing a summer look. So before we even start with anything, before we continue with the video, just watching the news in Louisiana just got extended to May 15th. I don't know how to feel about that. Well, does it really affect me in any type of way? No, because I'm going to be doing the same thing like I do every day, and that is going to work, coming back home and filming. So that's pretty much not really affecting anything. So it's gonna be the same. I think like all I wanted was really the nail salon to open, maybe to get these nails done, to get these crusty toes back in line, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. So looks like I'm gonna just be in my makeup room filming. This is literally the second video I've done today, so we're just gonna have to deal with the fact that they'll probably be extending this stay-at-home order until everything is like, I guess the cases go down. I have no idea. I have no other choice but to go to work. I have to go to work. I really don't have a choice, but that's okay because that money is looking really good. Okay, so anyways, in today's video, like I said, we're going to do a summer look, and we're going to be going in with the 24A Artist Pass palette by Morphe. Obviously, reason why is because these colors are really pretty. They tell me, hey, summer. Might as well do a makeup look because summer is canceled. But anyways, I really haven't thought of a look of really what I want to do. I haven't thought of anything yet. You know, I really have to look into the palette to see what the hell I'm gonna do. But anyways, if you want to know what kind of look I'm going to do with this palette and how I get it, continue on watching. So we're gonna go ahead and do this makeup look. I really don't know what to do. I'm really loving the colors. So right now, since I'm just going to be, you know, thinking of what I am going to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a transition color to the eyeballs, which I'm gonna go in with Get the Shot. This is like a nice skin toned color. So I'm gonna go in with this blue shade, which is called Ride or Sky. And we're just gonna apply this to the outer V of the eye. So like, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one eye on camera, and the other one we're just gonna do it off. I'm gonna get a nice little amount, and we're gonna do this on the outer V and make our way up to where the brow bone is at and have a nice little fade. Here we go. Now we're gonna go into the green color on the side, which is called Green Room. We're gonna apply that right next to that blue shade. We want to make sure we pack on a lot of it. All right, now we're gonna go into that pink shade, and it's called Max Volume. That right there. And next we're gonna go into the yellow. It's like a nice little neon yellow shade. Which it's really not going to show as much. So I really gotta pack on a lot of it. So if you see me like go packing it's because it really doesn't show as much, and that is okay if it really doesn't show as much. So now what I want to do is go in with Invite Only, which is a nice little glitter shade. So the colors I went in with is with this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now we're gonna go into this one right here, and we're gonna apply that to the inner corner of the eye. So I'm gonna grab an angle brush and apply that on there. Damn, girl, damn. I really look like, it really looks like a butterfly. I'm not gonna lie to you. Kind of want to add some setting spray so that these colors could really show more color into it. So I'm gonna add some Morphe setting spray and have these colors come to life like we really want them to show. Which of course yellow is not going to show too much. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so I just finished the other eye. Voila, how is it looking? Very, very colorful. Okay, so I did pop on some lashes off camera. I went in with the Beauty Creation 3D lashes, and these are in a Flirt. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the face. So we're gonna go in with some primer. We're gonna go in with the Frida Kahlo Perfect Canvas Face Primer by Ulta. Okay, so foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer. Whoa, I got some freaking foundation on my lashes. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a beauty blender and just dab that on to the face. Wow, this makes me look extremely white. There we go. There we go. All right. So now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Dark 30. one of my all-time favorite concealers. Now I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier setting powder, and we're gonna set the face. Set where I did my crap. Can't even speak. Where I added the concealer at. If I know what my brush is at. Here it is. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the XOXO Lisa Frank bronzer. We're gonna bronze this bitch up. And we're gonna add some blush, which my favorite blush is going in with the Wet n Wild blush. Always been my favorite. Also with the highlight too, but I ran out of the highlight and now I have to use a different one. Now I can't find the blush. Oh, here it is. Duh. All right, so we're going in with the Wet n Wild blush. Dust off whatever we had at the bottom that was bacon. All right, so now we're gonna go in with highlight, where we're gonna go in with the Beat in Paradise with Morphe, and we're gonna go in with Vacation. Hello, who doesn't like a good highlight, honey? This will have you snatch looking like a glazed donut. Okay, so for lips, I really do want to go in with a gloss. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Icy Lips by Sweetie. This is Money Mommy. Look at that. You can't tell me that's not freaking cute. I'm gonna add a lot too. Girl. And now we're gonna go in with the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This looks more like a rainbow look, but we're gonna call it a summer look, you know what I'm saying? Because summer is about bright colors, and you know, you have flowers blooming, which that's really spring. It doesn't matter. Summer is coming up. But didn't spring already pass? Yeah, spring already passed. What the fuck? So yeah, so this is a summer look, you guys, okay? Y'all better like it. I think I might have put too much glossed on. Oh shit. Yeah. I put extremely too much gloss on. Alright, there we go. Alright. I hope you like it. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.